I'm Avaneesh Pal. I am a senior at Reagan High School, and I am in the JROTC program. I moved to NEISD when I was in middle school, 7th grade. From the beginning, I've been taking challenging courses with wonderful teachers, and I think they pushed me beyond where I thought my boundaries were, and I found a new boundary, and I was able to keep pushing myself beyond the new boundaries I set for myself, and I think that got me to where I am today. The idea of starting a drone program at our JROTC program existed long before we got the NEEF grant, but the NEEF grant definitely made it possible, and it's definitely a unique opportunity that you can't really get anywhere else in the district. And myself and a lot of the other cadets, we got exposure to what it's like to fly a drone, or what it's like to fly an aerial vehicle, and how an aerial vehicle like that works. And we not only fly the drones, we modify them, we change out parts, and we also learn a lot about the mechanics of a drone. And I think that has a lot of real-world applications in the future. So I received a perfect 36 on the ACT and a 1580 out of 1600 on the SAT. And while it was a lot of work taking practice tests and doing practice problems, I think my preparation also included a lot of stuff I've learned at school through my classes in math, science, and English. And I think that score really helped with my college admissions, obviously, because that's a huge part of what they see, and they were able to see that I'm able to take challenging courses and I'm really prepared for college. And I think while I did prepare a lot for that myself, my classes at school helped with that a lot. And I think that helped me grow as a person, and that also helped me get the Air Force ROTC scholarship, which is going to pay for my tuition, and that helped me get into the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT. I think it's an amazing purpose for an organization to have, to give out grants to teachers who don't have the money to implement the ideas that they know can help their students, because in the end, the students are the future, and exposing them to things that they wouldn't have been exposed to otherwise that could help them in the future is amazing. And I think it's better for the school, the country, the community, and everyone else around them.